Welcome back, home enthusiasts. We're TrustedShoppingGuide.com, and today we're in the home. In this video, we'll be sharing with you our 7 highest rated steam cleaners. If you're searching for an all-around cleaning device, you need to check out the versatility of steam cleaners. These machines have steam vapor systems that can be used to sterilize all kinds of surfaces like mattresses, tiles, carpet, glass, and wood. They're sure to help you save money while also avoiding breathing toxic chemicals thanks to their tank that just requires water to operate. When used at high temperatures, steam cleaners can also terminate mold, yeast, and fungi, as well as remove stains and pollutant buildup. Today, we're providing you with a compilation of the 7 top-rated steam cleaners for an environmental and budget-friendly disinfecting regime. The team at TrustedShoppingGuide.com have researched, assessed, and awarded ratings to all the steam cleaners that'll be presented in this video. We have selected our top-rated options for you, make it easier to decide which one to buy today. To help you further, there are timestamps and direct links to all the products in the description below. You're welcome to check us out on TrustedShoppingGuide.com for more of our research in the home, or alternatively subscribe to this channel for regular updates. The first steam cleaner in our list is the Ivation steam cleaner. With a 1.8-liter capacity, Ivation steam cleaner is dedicated to tidying your space with just one sweep. It has a max temperature of 338 degrees Fahrenheit to deep clean areas that are taken over by insects, fungi, mold, and bacteria. The power cord is 16.4 feet away from the wall unit, and the machine has a weight of 8 pounds without water. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the Ivation steam cleaner a 4-badge rating. The team recommends its purchase based on the following: easy to maneuver. This device has a 4.75 feet swiveling steam hose that can get to high, low, far, and wide areas, as well as narrow edges. Hassle-free operation. You can easily fill up the device by pouring water into the cap onto the top of the machine, and the indicator lights will tell you if your steam is at the right temperature. Pressure monitoring. The high-tech water tank has a built-in manometer that reads pressure level and will enter the red zone after reaching the peak temperature. Safety features. This steam cleaner is equipped with a child-proof fill cap, safety cutoff fuse, pressure switch, and isolation of the gun to prevent accidentally burning your hand when the device when heated up. Keeping all of that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is the machine is relatively loud when in use. The second steam cleaner in our list is the COSTWAY steam cleaner. The package of COSTWAY steam cleaner makes sure you are fully equipped while tidying your home. It includes 19 accessories such as an ironing brush, glass brush, measuring tube, and cleaning glove, to name a few. The 10-feet power cord also allows you to have a good starting range for reaching nearby areas. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the COSTWAY steam cleaner a 4-badge rating. The team recommends its purchase based on the following: high steam temperature. This 200-watt steam cleaner provides up to 226 degrees Fahrenheit temperature for deep cleaning. Protective facets. This item has 2 temperature controls for preventing machine burnout, a child safety lock and automatic shutoff to avoid accidental operation, and automatic release when steam pressure is too high. Continuous operation. The uninterrupted steam release function allows you to easily use the machine without constantly readjusting the steam. Convenient design. This machine has 2 extension tubes for increased mobility that can reach any corner. Keeping all of that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is the package does not include an instruction manual. The third steam cleaner in our list is the McCulloch steam cleaner. You can clean nearly every surface and area of your home with the McCulloch steam cleaner. It has everything you'll ever need, like nylon brushes, scrub pads, mop pads, and an extra long power cord with a length of 15.7 feet with a steam hose that extends maneuverability up to 9 feet. Additionally, it has 9 minutes heat-up time with an operating time that can last for 45 minutes to 1 hour. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the McCulloch steam cleaner a 4-badge rating. The team recommends its purchase based on the following: lock switch. You can enjoy a ceaseless cleaning without continuously adjusting the steam power by clicking on the steam lock button. Powerful jet nozzle. The nozzle focuses this flow of steam on a specific area to thoroughly clean the dirt and grime. Floor mop attachment. The attachable floor mop will help you clean any sealed flooring surface while avoiding breaking from too much heat or pressure. Scrubbing power. The scrub pads can provide a stronger cleaning on stained counters, greasy ovens, and rusted barbecue grills. Keeping all of that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is the scrub head wears down quite fast. The fourth steam cleaner in the list is the McCulloch Deluxe steam cleaner. You can make abandoned outdoor items look new again with the McCulloch Deluxe steam cleaner. It naturally cleans a variety of surfaces, including autos, grouts, and granites with a heating of up to 200 degrees Fahrenheit. This item can hold as much as 1.9 liters of water and will heat up as quickly as 12 minutes. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the McCulloch Deluxe steam cleaner a 4-badge rating. The team recommends its purchase based on the following: great reach. This steam cleaner has an 18-feet power cord and 10-feet steam hose for enhanced maneuverability. Variable steam control. This machine is up to 58 pound force per square inch that's good for degreasing and deodorizing. 23 accessories included. You can get all the necessary cleaning items in this package, which includes an angled nozzle, brass brush, scraper, and squeegee. uninterrupted steam. You can steam clean for up to 120 minutes without interruption by clicking on the steam lock. Keeping all that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is the machine is a bit bulky. The fifth steam cleaner in our list is the Wagner Spraytech steam cleaner. If you have a bigger space, Wagner Spraytech steam cleaner will make polishing easier for you. It has 18 attachments including extension poles, window and tile squeegee, and a large cleaning brush to make sure all surfaces can get tidied up. It also holds up to 1.18 liters of water with a heat-up time as quick as 9 minutes. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the Wagner Spraytech steam cleaner a 4-badge rating. The team recommends its purchase based on the following. Large steam plate. You can remove wallpapers quickly without the steam plate that softens chemicals and adhesives. Long reach. The steam hose is 8 feet tall to reach areas at a great height. Fully portable. The wheel design allows you to haul the machine anywhere without fully carrying it. Self-contained storage. The nozzle, as well as the extra accessories, can be kept in the built-in storage compartment. Keeping all that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is the waiting time for the highest temperature is about 25 minutes long. The sixth steam cleaner in our list is the Dupray steam cleaner. With a heat-up time as quick as 7 minutes, Dupray steam cleaner offers maximum convenience for sanitizing sessions. Out of the box, you also get 17 accessories including a rectangular floor tool, microfiber pads, lance triangular tool, and a microfiber bonnet that'll help you choose the appropriate equipment for the surface. Additionally, it has a capacity of 1.6 liters and a maximum temperature of 275 degrees Fahrenheit. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the Dupray steam cleaner a 4-badge rating. The team recommends its purchase based on the following. Integrated funnel. The funnel will help you pour water into the tank without spill. Portable design. This machine has a retractable handle and smooth rolling wheels that make it easy to carry around the house. Easy reach. The slim steam hose is 6.6 feet long to reach areas under the bed, drawers, and over tall cabinets. Steam lock. The steam lock function provides an uninterrupted cleaning action at a constant temperature. Keeping all that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is the waiting time for the steam release is 20 minutes long. The seventh steam cleaner in our list is the Light and Easy Steam Cleaner. Whether you want to remove residue on hard floors or stains in your leather cushion, Light and Easy Steam Cleaner got you covered. You can use it for tiles, ceramic, laminated, stone, vinyl, and sealed wood flooring. It utilizes 212 degrees Fahrenheit steam to soften rust and remove stickiness. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the Light and Easy Steam Cleaner a 4-badge rating. The team recommends its purchase based on the following. Detailed steam settings. This machine has 3 intensity settings of high, medium, and low to control how much steam comes out of the nozzle. Handheld option. You can detach the steam cleaner from the wand to turn it into a garment wrinkle remover, bathroom or kitchen cleaner, and upholstery refresher. Smart switch. This steam cleaner can detect movement to prevent accidental steam release in an upright position. Touch sensor. You can already start steam cleaning by placing your finger on top of the sensor. Keeping all that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is the power cord is slightly short. And there you have it, folks, our 7 highest rated steam cleaners, which got our team at TrustedShoppingGuide.com excited this year. If you have any contenders for a next steam cleaner roundup, which you would like our team to test, do drop it in the comments section below and we'll be sure to assess them for our next update. If you like this video and it helps you in any way, please give it a like and hit the subscribe button so that you can stay connected and updated with all of our research into everything that makes our home great. We look forward to seeing you at the TrustedShoppingGuide.com again soon.